Have you come home to realize you have a blocked drain? Whether the drain is in your bathroom, kitchen, laundry or garden, blocked drains can be a nuisance. If overlooked, the matter can get worse. Seek help immediately from a qualified, licensed and experienced plumber who has the know-how and equipment to provide a professional service. At Heritage Plumbing Group, we understand the causes of blocked drains and we can diagnose the issue quickly. This helps us to perform timely and accurate repairs to unblock your drain so that the water can flow freely without any further issues. We also provide useful tips to help you avoid blocked drains in the future, and we can suggest necessary repairs or modifications to your home. Fear less with our responsive blocked drain service in Melbourne. In addition to unblocking drains, we can install new appliances and fixtures, upgrade plumbing lines and redirect outflow pipes to prevent blockages and overflows. For effective drain clearing services performed in accordance with your timetable and within budget, call us at 03 9498 0458 today.